In October, I attended the Cognitive Hackathon by Ekkolapto, hosted in Cambridge, and I just wanted to share a few thoughts on how it all went and what my experience was. What I can say is that, for one thing, unlike a traditional hackathon, the theme was very broad, and what this allowed you to have real creative control over any kind of outside the box ideas that you had. So, the actual theme was longevity, but any kinds of contributions in computing, in physics, math, logic, all were welcome. Anything cutting edge, anything thinking outside the box, anything radical was is what was prioritized. And that's what I really love, because in a traditional hackathon, you usually have a business who wants a concrete solution to a concrete problem. Whereas here, it's really a sandbox where you can design and come up with new things that you didn't even, you never thought about even trying out. Like, for example, my project that I worked on was the genealogy of code, where basically I would parse out code into its abstract syntax trees and then use those to compare to different ones and understand what was inspired by what, understand how code developed over time, understand similarities between different code bases. And the other thing I will say is that the mentors there were truly invested in helping people get their ideas to fruition. The actual idea of my project was inspired by one of the mentors. Um, in many cases, I was given ideas on different algorithms I could use for comparisons. So the mentors were truly, they wanted your projects to come to fruition. And the diversity of the people there was incredible, because when I was there, I met biologists, computer scientists, computer engineers, physicists, mathematicians, um, all the cutting edge fields of medicine. I think that's truly the best way to broaden someone's horizons and help them see things that they didn't see before. I mean, reading books is great, listening to podcasts is great, but at the end of the day, I think that nothing compares to having all these amazing thinkers working on cutting edge projects in just one room for a few days in a hackathon setting. Nothing compares to that.